everyone, this is a satellite transmission and this is a satellite launcher. Rocket go into the space and rocket parts is released and satellite came out into the rocket. Satellite catches the signals, TV, computer, telephone, tower, ships, aeroplane, buildings, etc. The satellite or artificial satellite is an object in the stationary place into in orbit. This is go into the space like Neil Armstrong, Kalpana Chawla. Thank you.